Day 10 of Vlogmas, and I'm just quickly sharing my Pat McGrath Labs lippies that I bought. They came in, and so two of them are the same because one of them is going to be a gift, but I wanted to try these. And look at the pretty packaging. You guys know I'm going crazy. I love the pink and I love the gold together. If you are returning to my channel, you already know that this is like my favorite color combination. The packaging is always so pretty and I like to keep it on display. So the colors I got were like semi-nude. It would need to be darker for it to be a nude for me. And then of course this like reddish color and then a pink, which I love. And the pink and the red are very close together, but the one in the middle is the one that I have the duplicate of that I'm giving as a gift. So I love, love, love. Can't wait to try these on. Day 11 of Vlogmas, and I'm waiting for my friend. We're going to get in the jacuzzi and have a little girls' night and kind of just talk and catch up. And so I'm looking forward to that. But while I'm waiting for her, of course, I had to take a couple selfies. See you guys next time.